Daryl, tell me about the teaching team that's been assembled for this program.
Teaching team is made up of Bible teachers and ministry practitioners who are well known in their field and have a good reputation. They go through a bit of a screening process with us, so we stand together theologically. And we're excited about some of the team members that God has brought to us. They include our Millar staff people as well as men such as Daniel Block, Bruce Ware, Patrick Schreiner, Ian Valancourt, as along with others. And we're really excited about what each of these men bring in their gifts and abilities that will speak into the lives of our students.
Yeah, so in regards to my life and ministry, I think a lot of that's answered in Millar's integral approach to education, which means they want to invest not just in myself, but my church and my family. And one of the unique ways in which they've served my family and myself is by allowing them to join me on courses, which means their whole family's invested in this process. And that's really helpful. In terms of ministry, it surrounds me with a network of pastors, of people that can refine me and encourage me. It's an academically rigorous program, but also they want the character developed, which means I can serve my church better with a joyful heart, as my body, soul, and mind are all focused on Christ, and that enables me to do ministry in a powerful way.
If you have any questions, are interested in enrolling in the program, or simply auditing a class, please go to the Millar College website and click on the Graduate Program tab.